President Uhuru Kenyatta's renewed war on graft has in recent days faced criticism over alleged protection of close associates of senior government officials implicated in corruption. So, is the alleged talk of sacred cows in the anti-graft war real or just mere political gimmick to the perpetual politicization of anti-corruption war in Kenya? Murimi Mwangi interrogates this for you.
Only days after President Uhuru Kenyatta offered to be the first to undergo a lifestyle audit, followed by his deputy William Ruto as part of the ongoing war on graft, Ruto's close ally, Kapseret legislator Oscar Sudi, made this remark, albeit tongue-in-cheek.
Kuanzia rais sasa wewe tufanye audit hiyo ni mzuri. Kuanzia Jomo mwenyewe kuja mpaka wewe Sudi
Members of Parliament.
And on Tuesday, youthful legislators led by former investigative journalist Mohammed Ali would seemingly kick the corruption ball closer to Kenyatta's goalpost, demanding prosecution of 10 presumed Kenyatta allies over the suspected 8 billion shilling scandal at the National Youth Service, including Cabinet Secretaries Mwangi Kunjuri and Sisli Kariuki, former Directorate of Criminal Investigations Ndegwa Muhoro, and Kirinyaga Governor Anne Waiguru, who has since threatened to sue the legislator for defamation within 7 days. But is this talk of sacred cows in the graft war real or just a mere diversionary tactic to kill the momentum in the counter-graft war?
Politicization and ethnicization of the fight against corruption is a tactic and a strategy by those who do not want the arm of the law to catch them or their friends to intimidate the president.
This is not about corruption. I think corruption is a sideshow. In fact, what you're seeing is the weaponization of anti-corruption to fight political wars.
Prior to his acrimonious ejection as chair of the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, Professor P. Elo Lumumba had made a remark which somewhat illustrates the authorities' difficulty at going after the big fish.
5 to 8 high-voltage files holding all factors constant may very well find their way to the Honorable the Attorney General.
If the President of the Republic of Kenya wanted that the agencies focus on me or any other Kenyan, he would get all the information he needs. And being in that unique position, he can be the most effective instrument.
When you talk about lifestyle audit, it's been packaged to look like to look like a particular person is a target. If we allow opportunists to set the agenda of the fight against corruption, we will have lost it.
Hatutaki tena siasa duni ya kugawanya watu, siasa ya kutumia kabila lako kujitetea na wewe ni mwizi.
Now with his legacy on the line and cartels salivating at his 3 trillion shillings budget, President Kenyatta no doubt remains on the spot as Kenyans continue to critique his seriousness in the counter-graft war. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.
The pre-trial conference for more than 40